लेकिन क्या जनता के मुद्दे उठाना, पब्लिक इश्यूज पे बात करना कोई अपराध है? क्या मैंने कोई गुनाह कर दिया, कोई गलती कर दी?
Post Raghav Chadda's silence was quietly pushed aside. A senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, a Rajya Sabha MP, and once one of the strongest voices of the party, suddenly his mic goes quiet. Not by the opposition, but by his own party. Raghav Chadda was removed as deputy leader in the Rajya Sabha and replaced by Ashok Mittal. But this isn't just about a position. The party officially wrote to the Rajya Sabha Secretariat requesting that he should no longer be allowed to speak on behalf of the party, which means his ability to represent the party in parliament has been limited. Now, Chadda didn't stay silent. In a video shared on Twitter, he openly questioned this move. He asked, has raising public issues now become unacceptable? He said he has always spoken about issues affecting ordinary people, issues that are often ignored, and questioned whether speaking for the people is now considered wrong. Because look at what he raised: high airport food prices, gig workers' struggles, food adulteration, toll charges, even banking frauds, taxpayer burdens, and mobile plan cost. Real issues, daily life issues. And his question was simple: how can raising these concerns go against his party? His reaction was strong. I may be silenced, but I am not defeated. Now, officially, the party calls this a routine reshuffle with no clear explanation. But reports suggest there could be an internal differences, a shift in the leadership dynamics, or lighter control over messaging. And in politics, who gets to speak matters. Remember, he was once seen as a close eye of Arvind Kejriwal, one of the youngest MPs, a key face in Punjab and part of AAP's rise in Delhi. So this move is not small, it signals a shift. So what is this really? A leader speaking too much or a system that prefers silence? Because when a voice is reduced, it's never just about one person. Today, it's his voice. Tomorrow, it could be anyone who speaks a little too honestly. Because when truth starts making people uncomfortable, silence always becomes a strategy.